Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have a very short video because this didn't go very far. This is the handy heater, Freedom wearable personal heater, whatever you want to call it. So basically, you put that on your neck, you turn it on, it heats up your neck, and then you feel a little bit warmer. And whenever the battery runs out, you just recharge. So that's the idea. So unfortunately, I've been testing it, and while it does work as advertised, the only issue I have, and it's a major one, is the fact that even though the neck area, this part right here is flexible. Let me get it. See right here, it is flexible, sort of. Not too much. It fits too tight around my neck. So maybe I just have a fat neck. I don't know. But it's way too tight and there's no way to adjust it. So I weigh about 180 pounds. So I'm not a fat man. Not by any stretch of the imagination. And I consider myself sort of like normal weight. I'm not skinny thin, but I'm not overweight. So it just doesn't work for me. It's so tight that I can tell it's unhealthy. And I don't know if you read those articles a few years ago where they found out, they did studies that if you wear things around your neck that are too tight, like a tie or a collar or a jacket, anything that's squeezing your neck, that will increase the risk of developing glaucoma later in life because it's cutting off the blood flow. I mean, not the blood flow, but the blood return. So basically, blood is making it to your head, but it's not coming back. So it's increasing the intraocular pressure in your eyes, and that can lead to damage to, there's this little hole inside your eye that evacuates fluid. And I'm not an expert, so I'm just telling you what I've read. But either way, it's a bad idea to have something tight over your neck because it does increase the risk of glaucoma. And this, I cannot permanently adjust it. It does have this small adjustment, but it takes a lot of force, which is okay when you do it with your hands. But when you put it around your neck, you can definitely feel that excessive pressure over your neck. And it does have some adjustments here where you can turn it on, and then it has this LEDs. Let me see if I can see them. There we go. Well, you can't see them. They're kind of flickering. But it does work. It does heat up a lot. So that part is okay. It's just the fact that I can't really use it. I'm not going to use this. I'm going to have to return it, unfortunately, because I consider this to be bad for my health, and even dangerous, something that's squeezing my neck so much. I mean, if you're going to wear it 1 minute, that's fine. But if you're going to wear it for the several hours that they claim it will last, I wouldn't recommend it. 6 hours. So putting this around your neck for 6 hours just seems like a bad idea for the reasons that I just told you. So, and there might be other issues, blocking the the blood flow on your neck, either to or from your head. It just seems like a terrible idea. I'm surprised they didn't do any better way to adjust the size right here. It's just spring loaded. Now, I did notice that when you look down, it kind of, you don't feel so much pressure. But I'm not going to be looking down all the time for the 6 hours that this is going to last. The idea for me was to walk with it in the woods. Sometimes I like going into the woods, or even when I'm driving my car. But it's not going to work out. So I want to end the video right here because I think you get the point. This doesn't work for me. Maybe it'll work for you if you have a very skinny neck. You just give it a shot and make sure you keep your receipt. So thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.